Welcome, dear learner. Now we are going to start the remaining part of tools and techniques of Operation Search. In the previous video, we have discussed about linear programming, assignment, transportation, sequencing, and queue theory. Now, moving further in the same direction, let's try to understand another technique of operation research, that is simulation. सो सिमुलेशन क्या चीज है? सिमुलेशन आपको एक मॉडल है जो रियल सिचुएशन के हिसाब से आपको एडजस्ट करता है। सिमुलेशन उन जगह पे यूज किया जाता है जहां पे आपका जो रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन है बहुत रिस्की है, बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है। आप वहां पे सिमुलेशन टेक्निक यूज कर सकते हो। सो सिमुलेशन एक इमिटेशन होती है, एक नकल होती है रियल सिस्टम की, जो आपको सिमिलर सिचुएशन, सिमिलर माहौल क्रिएट करती है। सिमुलेशन टेक्नोलॉजी यूज की जाती है टनलिंग के केस में, जहां टनल करते हैं सेफली टू डू इंजीनियरिंग, ट्रेनिंग एंड एजुकेशन, वीडियो गेम्स, वहां पे आप सिमुलेशन को यूज कर सकते हो। सो सिमुलेशन एक जनरल टेक्निक है जो आपको अलाउ करती है टू डेवलप। क्या डेवलप करोगे आप? एक डायनेमिक मॉडल जो रियल प्रोसेस की तरह काम करेगा। अब डेवलपिंग ए गुड सिमुलेशन मॉडल कैन बी डिफिकल्ट, बट सिमुलेशन कैन बी ए solution to a difficult problem which we can't solve otherwise। जो चीजें मैथमेटिकली सॉल्व नहीं हो सकती हैं, वो चीजें आप विद द हेल्प ऑफ सिमुलेशन इजिली सॉल्व कर सकते हो। द नेक्स्ट वन इज PERT एंड CPM। जो PERT एंड CPM टेक्निक है, PERT एंड CPM इज पार्ट पार्सल ऑफ नेटवर्क। Network scheduling is a technique regarding how to plan, how to schedule the activities, and how you can manage the large project. For example, railway is constructing a track for railway, then part is to be constructed in various part. Soma company is conducting national highway from Panipat to Jalandhar. Then they are doing the things in part. Then they are coordinating each and every activity in a proper manner. So at the last, your things to be in a proper sequence. So under projects, your main network analysis divided into sub-part individual tasks, and they are arranged in a logical sequence so that the critical path method allocation of resources is to be in proper manner. Network analysis is very popular and widely used technique in case of construction, scheduling, making a ship, and planning a space for a flight, and all other things. Just like Chandrayaan is there, that is outcome we used OR technique, PERT and CPM. Other techniques are there using there. So that is PERT and CPM. Next is integer programming. So integer programming is a mathematical optimization of a feasibility of a particular problem on the basis of integer. For example, when the things can't be in a fraction, how many persons standing in a queue? You can't say 2.5. That is 3, 4, 5. Number of taxis in a fleet. That should be in a integer. That is absolute number. So integer programming used there. Integer programming basically related with uh, when more or one variable take only integer value, then we can use integer programming. Integer mean complete or whole number. One important limitation of linear programming that can assume anything, fraction value to anything. So that limitation can be overcome with the help of integer programming. With technique of integer programming, it's easy for a researcher to find out the solution to those things which is not possible with the help of linear programming. These are certain techniques which are applied for the purpose of getting best solution for the given problem. Then come to the next, that is inventory control models or inventory management. Inventory control models related with when to buy, how to buy, or how much to buy, from where to buy. These type of questions prevailed always in the mind of the manager. So operation research provide a solution, provide a base. What is the reorder time? How much the reorder quantity is there? What is the EOQ? ABC analysis is there. So each model is having a different approach. In this scenario, inventory control model or inventory control management helpful in proper production process. So you have to be useful. Inventory control model helpful in maintaining proper inventory levels. When you make a proper inventory levels, you are answering two questions, that is how much to buy, when to buy. The approach to deal with this type of thing helpful in minimizing the inventory cost, and all the things can be done in a proper way. Next is replacement theory. So replacement theory, you are using electricity bulb in your house, car is there, other non-living assets are there. So all the items you are using need some replacement at one particular period of time. So the theory of replacement is concerned with the situation that arise when some machine is machine, material, electricity, or other equipment require replacement due to their decreasing efficiency or failure or breakdown. So replacement decision, the cost of the equipment. अब आपके पास क्या हो जाएगा, आप ये देखोगे क्या हमें नई चीज लेनी चाहिए या हम उसी चीज को रिपेयर करवा सकते हैं। अब दोनों में से कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस करके आप डिसाइड करोगे कि आपके लिए कौन सी चीज ज्यादा बेनिफिट है। रिप्लेसमेंट थ्योरी आपकी जो रिप्लेसमेंट के रिगार्डिंग प्रॉब्लम होंगी उनको सॉल्व करने में हेल्प करती है। देन इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस मार्कोव एनालिसिस। अब मार्कोव एनालिसिस क्या चीज है? मार्कोव एनालिसिस परमिट करता है आपको किस चीज के रिगार्डिंग? Markov analysis permits one to predict changes over time when information about the behavior of the system is known। मार्कोव एनालिसिस बेसिकली प्रोबेबिलिटी के ऊपर बेस करेगा, जो एक मैनेजर को अलाउ करता है कि वो इंफॉर्मेशन को इस तरीके से यूज करे ताकि उसको पता चल जाए कि इन द फ्यूचर, आइदर इन द शॉर्टर पीरियड और इन द लॉन्ग पीरियड, आपकी जो मार्केट शेयर है कितना इंक्रीज होगा या डिक्रीज होगा। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ करंट सिचुएशन यू कैन predict the prosperity of the system in the future also। So according to with the help of Markov analysis, it's easy for the operation researcher or for the management or organization to predict future conditions on the basis of current situations। So I hope so that's clear to you. Then moving further, symbolic logic. So symbolic logic is a substitute symbol for words, classes, or things or functional system. For example, there are symbols. We can traffic lights are there, red, green, and yellow. On that symbolic lights, we know when to stop, when to start. So symbolic logics is a functional system that incorporates rules, logic, and propositions. They have only limited attempts to apply this technique to business problems. These are basically used in more scientific way. Logical expressions are the statement that have a truth value. They are either true or false. So symbolic logic symbols are symbol are more meaningful and accurate. Everything in world is in symbolic. For example, words, classes of things, functional system, and rules are substituted with the symbols. So business problems are not on normally not converted into business. They are done on computers or stat machines. So symbols are extensive application. They are working in the background of other applications. Then In the last, whatsoever the technique or methods we are using in quantitative calculations in making a better managerial decision, that's depend upon how accurately operation researcher understand the problem. After understanding the problem, the which technique is suited to a particular problem, that's depend upon the credibility and expertise of the operation researcher. So no technique is good or bad. That's depend upon the situation in which we are using that particular technique. Thank you. I hope so. Tools and techniques of operation research is clear to you. If the things clear to you, then you can like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.